Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna change all of the chrome logos and badges on my Tesla Model 3 to real carbon fiber badges and logo. Also, I'm getting a real carbon fiber rear spoiler in the back installed today. Okay, I'm going back to SoCal Tint Shop in Riverside today because she is going to help me remove these logo professionally and help me install all of these parts today. Let's go. Okay, so I'm back at SoCal Tint Shop. For those of you who's new to the channel, SoCal Tint Shop is the place that I got XPAL tint on my car all around, and also got the XPAL PPF in the front of my car. So they did a super awesome job on my car, probably one of the best in the area. If you're interested in getting tint and PPF, I would really highly recommend SoCal Tint Shop in Riverside. Let's go inside. So these are the parts. Let's start with this one first. So I got these two from tparts.us. This one is the real carbon fiber badge. So here's the template. We're gonna roll it open in a minute. And it also came with the sticker remover. And this is the front real carbon fiber logo, as you can see there. It's really nice. Has that matte finish to it. And so I'm gonna change the back Tesla logo to this Tesla lettering instead. So that template is for the lettering right here. And also remove the chrome dual motor in the back and change to black. And this one also came with the sticker remover to remove your old logo. Alright, so I got these two from tparts.us, and another one is the rear spoiler. So I got this one from edgeautopart.com, or the company it's called Hanscho. So this is the rear spoiler. This is real carbon fiber rear spoiler, as you can see. Really nice. So basically just exactly like the one you see on Tesla Model 3 Performance and Model S Plaid. It came pre-installed with the double-sided tape inside, so it's ready to install. As you can see in the back here, you can tell it's the real carbon fiber. It's the dry carbon fiber. Really nice. Right, and the package came with the foam in the big box like that to make sure it doesn't break down during the shipment. Alright, let's go install all of this on my car. Okay, so first we have to clean the surface first. We're gonna start with the rear part, and after that I'm gonna show you how to lay out this template over here. Okay, so we're done using a cleaning solution to clean first round. Then we're gonna use the rubbing alcohol to clean again. Make sure there's no dust at all. This is actually the template. So we're gonna remove this part of that template, and we're gonna stick on the bottom of the pointy logo right here. Then after that we're gonna remove the logo. After we remove the logo, we put this top template on the top. Alright, let's start the bottom piece first. this is how you remove the factory logo. So just get in underneath, huh? There you go. So that's like double-sided tape, pretty much.
Yep, that's what's left. Now we'll get the teeth. So for the teeth, just just cutting through double-sided tape, basically. That's what it is.
So the fishing line was broken twice. Now we use a string that came in the box with the logo. There goes the logo. Here's the chrome logo came out. These out. Okay, now we need to clean all of the adhesive out before we can apply the new logo on it.
So this is like a eraser. You can put on a drill, but because it's a pretty new sticker, we don't have to put on the. And plus this is pretty much for flat. And we can use a drill, but you don't need, as you can see, you just
use the hand, huh?
Yeah,
use it to turn it around.
Right, and but this it comes off, as you can see. Alright, so for cars that want to remove the emblems and the little bit older emblems, once you remove the emblems, usually it could be pretty much baked from baking. I mean, baked in the sun, it would be harder to come off, and you don't have anything to remove all the erasers. You can buy the product like this.
What's it called?
Also,
Vinyl Off.
Vinyl Off. It's a great product. All you gotta do, just put a little bit on a rag. You apply it and just let it sit for a couple minutes.
So now we're gonna put the lettering template on to this part.
Press it. That's gonna be our hardest part. Just whatever you guys do, just
don't press it down yet.
Yeah, don't tack it. Be very gentle with the glue because it tacks really quick.
It's pretty cool. I like the template. It's just a little tricky to apply the template. It makes it a lot easier, you know, to really where to put the lettering.
We're gonna tease, so we're just gonna. Okay, good.
Yes. So it's E now. Try to put top of the E first. Yeah, so it doesn't fall off while you drive too fast. Okay. So I guess the tweezers kind of help aligning. So use your fingers kind of block the vision.
Right, so if we use a
tweezer, now we can see exactly where it goes. Yeah, I think from now on we're just gonna use the tweezer. So now we're gonna take the template off. See what it looks like without the template. Try to show you the carbon fiber texture on this. You can see the texture. Just gonna clean off. Sweet. So now we're going to use the heat gun to help the adhesive in the back stick a little more.
Yeah, a little bit more actually.
And make sure they don't come off when I wash the car. Yeah, looks good. The template works really well. So I have to thank the template that came in the box. Now we're going to do that dual water lettering in the back. We're gonna change from this chrome to black. So we can use the masking tape to lock in the position of the old logo. So when putting a new logo, we know exactly where to put it. The masking tape's in. Now you can use same tools to remove the adhesive in the back. Seems like it's really easy. This one, huh? So much easier. Continue the last logo, which is the front logo. So we just clean it up. So basically we just have to mark it with the masking tape before we remove the original logo out.
Right, we're just gonna make it V. And it sits in the...
Yeah, so all we need that pointy part, right? Out. Okay, so the adhesive, the old logo is off. Now we're gonna apply that new real carbon fiber logo from T-Parts. Alright, so we clean the surface off. Now we try to pre-fit it before we actually take off the tape. So now we use the tape measuring to make sure the same measurement on both sides. Alright, now we marked. We're gonna peel off on each corner first.
So we're gonna
just fold it out like that. Okay.
And now everything else we'll leave it as it is.
Okay. So as we measure it,
We already pre-measure everything. We're gonna line up to that, and we'll stick it.
So now we use the heat gun to heat the Poseidon tape to make it stickier, so it sticks well on the car. Make sure it doesn't fall off.
Okay. So now we're gonna pull it off just like this. Maybe gentle guys when you pull it off. Okay, this side. So that side is already locked.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull everything from this side all the way. Always make sure everything is out. Pull it out. It's pretty good.
It fits pretty good, right? Like it. Look at the material, it's really, really nice. Just like what you see on Model 3 Performance. It's really, really good. Perfectly fit. We installed that Tesla lettering in the black dual motor. So the lettering is carbon fiber, the real carbon fiber, and this beautiful spoiler in the back. This is also real dry carbon fiber matte finish. So they are matte finish there, and also this front logo with the real carbon fiber matte finish. Let's check out the finished product. So the installation was done. It was a little tricky on each part of the installation, especially removing the old logo and the adhesive on the bottom of it. Otherwise, applying it is not that bad. Actually, applying it's a lot easier. Again, if you guys are interested in these logos, you can get them from tparts.us. They are real carbon fibers. They're really, really nice. Or I'll put 15% link in the description. And same here on that rear spoiler. This also dry, real carbon fiber with really high quality. I'll put the discount code and the link to the products. All of these have option for both Model 3 and Model Y. Have to thanks G from SoCal Tint Shop again with the big help, for installation. With his experience, make it a lot easier, smoother. If I'm doing this by myself, it's gonna take a long time to remove all of that adhesive. So thanks again, guys, for checking out the video, for your support, and don't forget to like the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for future content. We'll see you on the next video.